what I think is correct pacing is when it like everything is kind of consistent. So like if you can like predict, like if you have like going with the beat like and you have that pacing, I feel like that it's a boring pacing, but it's like consistent enough where it's like you can understand where it's going and then predict it, and that's how it flows nicely. So right here is incorrect pacing. You can see where the markers are. See how it just he hits a bass and then he hits like a snare, I don't know, one of them. Yeah, and it just doesn't feel right, and then so you just have like the stutter, and it's just not appealing. And then so I fixed it by just focusing on like the beat or like the bass. It's like and just that's how I think pacing should be done. And now this feels much nicer, and then I added whatever transitions shit because I did that. But that's how I would go about pacing. You can either sing to the bass hits, or you can sing to the when the singer is singing, because then they kind of have like a beat with their saying. It's like da 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 whatever like that. So right now I think it's like mostly synced to the singer, because like there's certain points that doesn't have bass hits or snares, and you don't hear the singer, and that's like that beat. So yeah, focus on consistency, and I think you're good.